Welcome back again to my channel. If you want to see how I make this delicious yummy oat bread without no flour, keep watching. Thank you. In today's video, I'm going to be needing 2 cups of oatmeal for this recipe. Thank you so much everyone for stopping by. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to put on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Today I'm making a healthy oat bread recipe. I'm going to be using 2 cups of oats. This is my oats. I've already blended the oats. I'm going to be adding 2 cups of oats in a bowl. Then I will add 1 teaspoon of baking powder to it. Then I will stir and mix together. In this recipe, I'm not going to be using butter nor sugar. I'm going to be skipping butter and I'm going to be skipping sugar. Now I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add my 1 teaspoon of baking powder, then I will stir together. I'll mix it together so that the baking powder will combine properly to the oat. Then after that, I will put aside and get another clean bowl, and I'll take my 3 ripe bananas. Okay, I've already washed my banana. Please guys, always wash banana before you eat your banana, okay, because a lot of people have touched the bananas in the store. You always have to wash your banana before you use them. Okay, in a clean bowl, I'm going to be peeling my 3 ripe bananas. Then I will mash the ripe bananas together. And this banana, the reason why I'm using banana, the banana will serve as a sweetener also. Okay, I'll mash the banana together. As you can see, I'm going to mash the banana together until they are smooth. Until they are smooth. Thank you so much everyone for stopping by. If you are new, please subscribe to this channel and put on your bell. Then I'm going to be adding 3 eggs. I'm adding egg to this recipe. I'm going to be using 3 eggs, as you can see. Then after that, I will be adding 1 teaspoon of honey. I'm using honey as a sweetener also. Instead of me using sugar, I'm going to be using honey. You can use sugar if you choose to, but I'm not going to be using sugar. Then I'll add 1 cup of coconut oil. You can also use butter if you choose to, but I'm not using butter, I'm using coconut oil. Then I'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla just to give it that flavor. Then I will stir everything together. Just keep stirring it. All the mixture are well combined. Okay, just keep stirring. Guys, this recipe is very easy to make, very simple and easy to make, and it's healthy also. I'll mix them together. As you can see, I'll keep mixing till everything is well combined. Then I'll add the wet ingredient to my oats. Yeah, I'll add the wet ingredient to the oats. Then I'll mix everything together also. While this is mixing, while I was doing this, I've already created my oven to 350 degree. I've already preheated my oven for 350 150 degrees. As you can see, I'm mixing everything together. Yeah. Then I'll get my pan. Then I will grease my pan with coconut oil. You can choose to grease your pan with butter if you want to, but I choose to grease my pan with coconut oil. Remember guys, we are trying to eat healthy. Yeah, this is my pan, this is my bread pan. Then after greasing, I will pour everything inside the pan. Then I'll put it in the oven to bake for 45 minutes. And after 45 minutes, all done. It's very easy and it tastes so delicious, guys. It tastes so yummy. Thank you so much, everyone. Please subscribe if you are new and put on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. Thank you so much, my family, my friends, for always watching my video, for always sharing. I appreciate every one of you. Guys, this is the bread, guys. It's so beautiful and it tastes so yummy. You can enjoy this bread with your tea in the morning. For those of you that like to drink coffee, you can also enjoy it with your coffee. It's very healthy, guys. This is very, very good. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching, and please subscribe if you are new. I appreciate every one of you, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye bye and stay safe. Bye guys.